Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2015 435D M Sport 2-door coupe. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that comes with some very nice BMW options, as well as the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. At the front of the car you can see the Angel Iron xenon headlamps. We've also added the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels that we have had just professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Sitting just behind those, you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful 4 Series 2-door coupe, we have got the full M Sport Plus package. Down the side, as well as being able to see, it's a very clean and tidy example. We've got the satin side vinyls. Again, as part of that Plus pack, you do get the sun protection glazing. Inside the car, there is a full black Dakota leather, and that does come with heated seats, electric movement and memory for driver's side. There is, of course, also the wonderful Harman Kardon surround sound, alongside the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course, being the 435D, it will come with the xDrive 4-wheel drive system. You will see there again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy on this car. Really is a very well cared for vehicle. Around onto the back of the car now, where you can see those 19-inch alloys. Once again, thanks to that fresh refurbishment, they do look really well. At the back, we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then a satin rear diffuser on the car. And there you can see both your xDrive and 435D badges. Boot space for a 2-door coupe, it is one of the largest in the class. And again, you do see that you do get split folding seats to again give you that further option for more room. Around at the driver's side, everything being presented exactly as you would want it to be, really clean and tidy. And of course, the additions we've made really do work very well. Take a nice look at those M Sport Plus brakes. Once again, really nice standout feature, not only for the aesthetics, but of course that nice reassuring feeling of having bigger, better brakes. On the inside of the car, we have got the professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting the car up, we'll go through a couple of the features of that, beginning with the sat nav. Having that bigger screen, as you can see straight away, it's easy to see why that would be of benefit. It's also a really easy system to use. Bluetooth telephone, there is of course DAB, as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection. And in terms of your external devices, that includes USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio as well. Down at the dual climate controls, there you can see we've got the switches for these front heated seats. If I take you across to the multifunction M Sport steering wheel now, cruise control, speed limiter, and then over here we've got voice and volume controls, and of course not forgetting the pedals for that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Throughout the video, I'm hoping you've seen that it is a very clean and tidy example. It has covered over 85,000 miles, as you can see there. But again, it is in really great condition. We'll now go through and show you some of the service requirements and service history. In terms of service history, as you can see there, it is backed up by a huge amount of BMW service history. The most recent visit was at 76208, and that was for a full service at BMW, including all of the filters, which is of course a really great peace of mind. So there is a look around this fantastic BMW 435D M Sport 2-door coupe. I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around, and from all of us here at Your Next Car, we do hope to see yourselves very soon. For more information on this vehicle, follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, take yourself over to our website. You can view all of the funding and pricing options, and include using our very easy to use finance calculator. Thank you all, take care, bye bye.